big old rainstorm, windstorm, but kind of slowed down now, so we're on our way. Now, Sarah.
Hey.
Hi, everybody, huh? Yeah. Everybody coming. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 trucks coming, and I'm the 5th truck. Yeah, a lot of ice up here, but won't look too bad. It's still raining. The wind's calmed down, so we were gonna go up and make a fire, burn some pallets, but the guy didn't show up with the pallets, so we had quite a few people that were gonna come, but they didn't show up. So we've got about 5 trucks going now, so we should be all set. We're going up in Glastenbury Mountain. Glastenbury, Vermont.
Hey!
Yeah. Yeah, Sarah's having a good time now already, huh? Yeah, it's a lot of ice, but there's already trails made here, so we're not in the ice, so should be pretty good. Got water running down the trail here. Yeah, 3, 4, so 5 of us trucks. My back window's fogged up, so there's all the moisture and the rain. There you can see. See, pretty foggy there. Okay. We got 3 Jeeps and 1 Toyota. Well, 2 Toyotas counting mine. Joining us today. But still got snow up in the mountain. No snow at the house, but it's all turned to ice because it's been pretty cold. We've had them 50-degree days, supposed to be 54 today, but froze all the ice, or the snow is frozen as it melted, and now it's all ice, but we've got trails through here, so it should be pretty good getting through. We'll see. We've got some hills to get up. We'll just see how far these people went. If not, then we're gonna have to. It's all a sheet of ice down there. It's all ice. So see how far we can go. And of course, Sarah's having a good time, huh, Sarah? Yeah, having a good time. Yep, love my 4-wheeling every Sunday with Dad. Yeah, yeah, I know. Yeah, that's why I do it for Sarah. Doing 17 years now, so rain, sleet, snow, hail. We're like the mailman, we just get through, we keep going, get through. Yeah, there's all ice everywhere, so. Got my window down, I'm gonna have to close it because look, it's getting water everywhere. Still raining out. I want to be able to show the guys on the corners because my back window's all steamed up. And I don't have a mirror on the side here. Gives me more clearance. After the second time of it snapping off and gluing it back on, I said, we don't need a mirror. Here's the gate where they used to close it because they were logging up here. People were vandalizing their equipment, so now they're done, and you see where they plowed through here. Used to be all trees in here, but they knocked them all down and logged all in there. So I was hoping it'd stop raining, but it don't look like it's probably going to rain all day. So. Let's see if it's coming down there. See what the loggers do. They make a mess. They throw all the trees down in there and let it all rot away. But Beautiful country out here in Vermont. Except for that nasty cold rain. Probably 45 degrees right now, and that rain goes on you, it's pretty cold. You see up in the mountains there, some of it was probably snowing up further as we get up there, but I don't know, it's still warm to rain. Sarah's watching everybody out the back window. Loves watching the trucks. Yeah, watching the trucks through the back window. Yeah, 3 Jeeps and a Toyota, plus the black Taco Toyota. So yeah, I hate having a videotape with the wipers going in the rain, but well, looks like this is as far as they went, so it's pretty slippery here. We'll see what happens. I don't know, it might be pretty hairy. We're still going, so as long as we take it slow and we don't slide off the trail, because it's all ice now. But got studs in the tires, so it should do pretty good on the ice. Like everybody's slowing back down there. I don't know. I don't want anybody to slide off the trail here, though. Pretty sure they should get some kind of traction. It's just coming down the hill here is pretty nasty, so still should be able to grip. You know, to sheet ice. Sheet ice, we're still going. I don't know, when I get to that hill, I'm gonna have to shut the window. The wind's blowing right in. Oh boy. I'm still getting traction, so looks like everybody else is slowed back. I guess I'll come up here and see. Well, the studs are working for me, but I don't know, I'm going to get out and take a look down. Oh, it's nasty up here. Hey! Oh! 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 So it looks like you got traction. Seeing where the I don't know. We're not having any trouble. You got studs too, so he's got studs in his too. So boy, the wind is terrible. We got nobody coming up. I don't know what they're doing, but the wind, you can see the wind is just blowing all over the place. Terrible out here. Picking up that hill. Alright, I guess we're gonna end it right here and see. I can make it up this hill right here myself. Straight up. Boy, now it's coming down. Wow. Rain's blowing and the camera's soaked. Mixing. Alright, we're going to end it here, folks. Oh, looks like they're all coming now. Alright, looks like we're going to keep it going. Look, they haven't, maybe they just put it all in 4-wheel drive, so. There. It's still mushy enough to get traction, so. Alright, we're all ready to go again. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. Let's go see Sarah. get my. So thick the ice is. All right, sir. Ready? Oh, I won't fall in here. Yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We're on our way.